When I said build a crawler hauler, I don't think this is what I had in mind. That's like 14 feet up. So we're gonna go riding a Tesla.
We're gonna go through the ground like worms.
I want to go ludicrous plaid. We'll see if I can talk any of them into it.
Alright, this is chicken in the pot. You get your chicken in the pot, you get a small prize, and then when you get a bunch of those, you trade them up for the larger prizes until we have the giant prize.
Okay. Giant prizes!
What is it?
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Oh! Okay. Oh, I went full distance. You got one. Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, I whooped your butt at air hockey.
Whooped my butt. He whooped my butt at air hockey. But at chicken in a bucket,
I'm only one down.
Who's better?
I'm
Two.
only one
you
down.
only have three.
I gave one away already.
He gave one away. Gotta have 5. There's Travis's van.
I think the wife would like this.
The interior color is pretty cool, baby blue.
It probably costs more than our house, though.
Hey Matt, should we do the Scorpion 2.0 with 2 rear steer axles?
Yeah, good luck with that. Thinking about the complexity of having 2 rear steer axles.
Do we got any Halo fans that watch the channel? They may know what this is. You know what this is?
At this point, I'm really surprised we even still have friends left. All right, so hey, Zach, since we do have a fairly new crowd out here today, we got to kind of give them the bird yard etiquette.
Matt, did you know they built this on a red dot chassis?
That's what I heard. Like
Red dot rock.
took a red dot chassis and put this on it, which kind of limits its possibilities, I would imagine.
Here's the deal. There's some super secret delicious steakhouse, but that's the only way you can get into it.
My shoe! What?
Lost your shoe?
No, the parking lot instead of going outside the fence.
Is this where the delicious steak is?
Yeah, there's prime rib on the other side of this fence.
There's prime rib. You just have to do this. And I literally weigh like 3 of you. Owie. Why can't they put a door back here? Do it for the prime rib. Do it for the prime rib. Was it worth it?
No, I don't know. There's people calling the cops right now. It's his fault.
There's no prime rib tonight.
It's on every day except for Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
Who knew?
We have to make a second trip, I think.
No.
We're walking again.
We're all in it now.
Now he's tired.
Way too big for that.
I think we should ask them if we can take this up Trail 15. The Horn Blaster 5000. If you're in California, the guys will call the cops and say you have an AR on top of your roof.
I guess if you get a flat track, you have a spare tire.
This man woke up today and chose violence. Giving the VIP a little treatment in the splash zone over there. Heads up, man! Woo!
We're here at Jeep looking at their new concepts.
This is the Magneto 4xe, but it's a manual. I just saw. How does that work? A manual electric car. I don't know. I should read more about these things. Is that on a TJ platform?
Shocks are,
It's a JK, I guess.
yeah, shocks aren't in the right place for TJ.
It's a JK platform. It's even got the JL. It's a JL platform.
In case you're wondering, this is a mobile bar.
Last year, this year, excuse me, which was a really, full battery electric vehicle. A really high contrast blue and white finish on it. So we said, well, let's show our customers that they can do that with our 4x8. And so we've got a 2-inch lift obviously the Jeep Grand Cherokee 3-row is our latest. You know, it's something that our customers have been asking for years. You know, we've been very successful with the 2-row, which we just introduced, but the 3-row, and we thought this was a great way to showcase the 3-row and some of the accessories that we have on it. It's interesting, you know, most people think this is a wrap. It's actually a paint. We had some fun developing the color in the studio, doing low gloss, really nice fine metallic to it. We have our Mopar 21-inch wheels. So I love them all, and they're all fun to work on. But there's something about this that I think is just because it's so over the top. As everyone is aware, every year we usually like to have a beverage or two on our Tuesday nights. This year, given the circumstances that we're all living in, we weren't able to do that. However, we did create an amazing beverage vehicle that we'll be able to use in the future. One of the coolest parts about it, though, is that it has a 392 485 horsepower Mopar crate engine in it. It is the best sounding ambulance I have ever heard in my life. So it's 1967 M725 Kaiser Jeep military vehicle. So we've cut a hole in the side of it, as you can see, and created a bar. It's got a kegerator in it. We actually cut the roof. It has actuators that raise the roof about 16 inches or so for easy ingress express as well. So, super fun.
The M725.
We're totally gonna make this next year, I think.
But I'm loving that. Nice handle. So this is the Jeep Overlook concept. They got rid of the 2-piece top. It's a 1-piece.
It's got a single window in there.
It's got a 3rd-row seat. A 3rd-row seat. They stretched the body another 12 inches, another foot. You just got a little more hang off in the back.
You wouldn't even notice it though. I didn't even notice it at first until they told me. But yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, you can't tell. You definitely can't tell until you see it, until you look at the window. This thing's cool. I really like it. Got the Power Wagon and the new 42s. Look at those things. I'm 6'5". Give you an idea how big these are. What do you think, Matt? Think you're gonna own an outdoorsman?
Only if I can take it up Trail 15.
Are we gonna do an overland experience?
Let's do it.
Overland experience. Are you ready?
No.
Overland experience.
I want to see
Ready
this.
now?
I want you to see the front bumper on this.
The one that doesn't exist?
Oh, come on!
I give my bear I donate my bear.
George?